Hello everyone. In this video, we are gonna see how to connect Xiaomi smart camera. This camera model Xiaomi C200. It has 2 megapixel camera with full HD 1080p resolution. It works with Amazon Alexa and Google Home support too. In this package, it includes setup guide, power cable and ceiling mount bracket also. Here, you can fix the ceiling mount bracket too. Let's connect the power supply. Once the device switched power on, initially it rotates left and right and the camera it says please scan the QR code to connect. Take off the setup guide and scan the QR code to install the Mi Home application. Once it installed, agree the permissions and allow some necessary notifications using your Gmail account to sign in. Once you signed in, choose your current region. Accept the agreement and create Xiaomi new account and allow some necessary notifications and accept the user agreement. On the top of the right corner, tap the plus icon and scan the QR code of the bottom of your camera. Here you need to follow the instructions. Using a SIM ejector tool and hold for 3 seconds to reset this camera. Once the reset has done, the lights turns into blue. This means it's ready to pair. Here you can insert the micro SD card. This camera only supports 2.4 GHz band frequency only. Connect your home Wi-Fi connection and enter the password. Once you enter the password, tap join. Within a few minutes, it configures to your Wi-Fi network. Create a new room and name the camera and tap next. In this step, you can share this camera to your family members. You can send invitation by QR code or by email invitation. Now, I am not going to be share this. Tap don't prompt. It requires update. Now you have successfully configured the Xiaomi camera. It can pan until 360 degrees using the direction keys. Go to the 3 dots on the top right corner. Here you can update your camera. In this camera settings, turn on the status light to view camera in night vision. Using this human tracking enable option, this camera automatically tracking and focus nearby object. Here you can enable some basic night vision settings. Using this playback option, you can watch your recorded video footage from your micro SD card. At the end of the screen, you will see delete device option. Using this option, you can permanently delete device from your account.